Apple rumors have already started to float around the internet with plenty of speculations about the next iPhone. While leaks around the upcoming Apple Watch have been sparse until now, a new report suggests that the next series could get its first design update since its launch 4 years ago. While the smartwatch's design has been iconic, it appears that Apple has decided that it needs a change and may come with 15% larger displays than the previous version. As per a 9to5Mac report, KGI Securities analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo has said that the next Apple Watch models that will launch in the fall of 2018 might come with displays that are roughly around 15% larger than the current Apple Watch Series 3. Notably, all the Apple Watch models until now come with 38mm or 42mm displays. Additionally, the new variants will also come with enhanced health monitoring features and longer battery life. However, Kuo does not reveal whether the size of the overall chassis will grow or whether Apple will go for thinner bezels. Meanwhile, popular tipster Benjamin Giskin has posted a quick mock-up on Twitter of what the new Apple Watches could look like with the larger displays. Kuo says that a more trendy form factor design and the introduction of new sensors apart from heart rate monitoring, combined with a price drop in older models, will drive Apple Watch sales to new records. Interestingly, the predictions claim that around 22 million to 24 million Apple Watch units will be sold in 2018, a rise of around 30% year-over-year. The firm added that Apple Watch sales may further reach 50 million units per year. In the long term,